Logan! You finally figured it out.
It's worth borrowing money from China to pay for it. And if not, I'll get rid of it. Obamacare's on my list. I apologize, Mr.
Whoa.
President. I use that term with all respect. Good, bro. Okay, good. So I'll get rid of that. I'm sorry, Jim. I'm going to stop the subsidy to PBS. I'm going to stop other things. I like PBS. I love Big Bird. I actually like you, too. But I'm not going to keep on spending money on things to borrow money from China to pay for it.
Like you too, Jim. That was quite a moment there. Began trending almost immediately after that remark. Wake up and hear that. Users posted 17,000 Big Bird tweets a minute, and a number of parody Twitter accounts popped up as well. One such account, Big Bird, has almost 25,000 followers this year.
You know, a year ago, in a conversation with Governor Romney, he said, when I get one-on-one with the president in this debate, he's going to say X and I'm going to say Y. He's going to say A and I'm going to say B. That was a year ago. He's been waiting for this moment for that entire time. And last time he's seen it. If you look at some of these stats polls that we've seen already, a lot of times this is an emotional whether it's CBS or whether it's CNN, there was a clear winner in this debate last night.
You know, one other thing I would mention is that Governor Romney had taken a lot of heat from conservative watchers.
Do you want some help? Can you say please? Good boy. Can you say thank you? Good boy.